Phylum Coelenterata is also known as Cnidaria. Name Cnidaria is derived from cnidoblast or cnidocytes. Cnidocytes is present on the tentacles and the body. Tentacles typically refer to the long, flexible limbs found on some animals, particularly invertebrates like octopus, squids, and jellyfish. Cnidocytes contains stinging capsules or nematocyst. Nematocyst is a specialized cell that contain a tiny venomous coiled thread that can be ejected in response to stimuli. Cnidoblasts are used for anchors and for the capture of prey. Anchorage means attachment or fixation of a cell, tissue, or organism to a surface or substrate. Cnidarians are aquatic, mostly marine animals. They have radial symmetry and they exhibit tissue level of organization. They are sessile or free swimming. Word sessile refer to the organisms that are fixed in one place and do not move. Digestion is extracellular and intracellular in cnidarians. Extracellular digestion means breakdown of food material into small molecules outside the cell in the lumen of alimentary canal or on the decaying nectar. Cnidarians are endoplastic animals. Endoplastic animals are those animals in the cell are in two layer, external ectoderm and an internal endoderm. An undifferentiated layer, mesoglea, is also present in between the ectoderm and the endoderm. Cnidarians have a central gastrovascular cavity with a single opening mouth on hypostome. Hypostome is a structure which is found at oral end of the animal surrounding the mouth. Common example of cnidarians are Physalia, which is also known as Portuguese man of war, Adamsia sea anemone, Panatula sea pan, Gorgonia sea fan, and Meandrina brain coral. Some cnidarians, for example corals have a skeleton composed of calcium carbonate. Cnidarians exhibit two basic body forms called polyp and medusa. Those cnidarians which exist in both forms, polyp and medusa, exhibit alternation of generation. Alternation of generation also known as maintenance. Medusa produce medusa sexually, and medusa produces polyps sexually. Polyp is a sessile and cylindrical form. Cnidarians which exist in polyp forms are Hydra, Adamsia, and Medusa is an umbrella shaped and free swimming forms. Cnidarians which exist in Medusa form is Aurelia or jellyfish. Member of phylum Ctenophora are exclusively marine. Ctenophores are radially symmetrical and diploblastic organism. Ctenophores exhibit tissue organism. Ctenophores, commonly known as sea nut or commonly, their body are eight external rows of ciliated complates which help in locomotion. Locomotion refer to the movement or ability to move from one place to another. The property of a living organism to emit light is known as bioluminescence. Bioluminescence is well marked in ctenophores. Digestion is both extracellular and intracellular. Ctenophores are hermaphrodite. It means sex are not separate. Reproduction takes place only by sexual means, and fertilization is external with indirect development. Indirect development means that they have a larval stage. Common example of ctenophores are Pleurobrachia and Ctenoplana. Member of phylum Platyhelminths are called flatworms because their body is flat on dorsal as well as ventral side. Flatworms are mostly endoparasites found in animals including human beings. A parasite is an organism that lives on or inside another organism called the host and benefits at the host's expense. Parasite can cause harm to their host, ranging from mild irritation to severe illness or even death. Flatworms have bilateral symmetry. Flatworms are typoplastic animals. Coelom is absent in flatworms. Flatworms exhibit organ level of organization. Hooks and suckers are specialized structures that aid in attachment to their host and facilitate feeding. Hooks and suckers are present in the parasitic forms. Some flatworms absorb nutrients from the host directly through their body surface. Osmoregulation is the process by which organisms regulate the balance of water and solutes, such as salt, within their body to maintain homeostasis. Osmoregulation is crucial for the proper functioning of cells and organs, as it helps prevent dehydration or overhydration and maintains the right concentration of ions. Specialized cells called flame cells help in osmoregulation and excretion in flatworm. Excretion is removal of wastes from the body. Flatworms are hermaphrodite, it means sexes are not separate here. Fertilization is internal and development is through many larval stages. Regeneration is the process of replacing or restoring damaged or missing cells, tissues, organs, and even entire body part to function. Some flatworm Tecnaria possess high regeneration capacity. One example of flatworm Tinea is also known as tapeworm and SEO river flow.